Welcome to Jason's Programming Lab, where we break down complex programming concepts for everyone to understand. I'm Jason, your friendly guide, and today we'll be exploring two popular programming languages, Java and Python. If you are new to programming or curious about these languages, you come to the right place. Let's get started. Imagine you're building a house. Java is like the solid foundation upon which you construct the walls, floors, and roof. It's known for creating strong and reliable applications like websites, business software, and even systems for banks. Java ensures that these apps can handle lots of users, data, and transactions securely. Just like a house needs sturdy walls, a bank software needs a strong language like Java to ensure smooth operations and protect sensitive information. Now let's switch case to Python. Imagine you have a treasure trove of data, like information about people's shopping habits or weather patterns. Python is like a magic wand that helps you make sense of this data easily. It's fantastic for analyzing information, finding patterns, and making predictions. Using Python, you can uncover hidden insights in the data, predict trends, and make informed decisions. It's like having a superpower to understand and work with large amounts of information. Deciding between Java and Python depends on what you want to do. If you are excited about creating powerful applications like websites or software for business, Java is the way to go. It gives you the tools to build robust and secure systems that can handle lots of users and transactions. But if you're more interested in analyzing data, finding patterns, and making predictions, Python is a language for you. It helps you uncover valuable information from large data sets, just like a detective solving a mystery. Remember, there's no right or wrong choice. It's about following your interests and what you want to achieve. The great thing is that learning either Java or Python opens door for learning more. Once you understand one language, it becomes easier to explore and understand other languages. It's like learning one musical instrument makes it easier to pick another. So don't worry too much about choosing the perfect language. The important thing is to start learning and enjoy the journey of discovering the amazing world of programming. That's all for today's video. I hope it sheds some light on Java and Python and how they can be used to create incredible things. If you have any questions or want to explore more topics, let us know in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to Jason's Programming Lab for more beginner friendly videos. Happy coding and see you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching, and remember, programming is for everyone. You don't need to be an expert to get started. So grab your curiosity, embrace the learning process, and let's unlock the world of programming together. Bye for now.